What's up guys? Are you wanting to buy Best Air Fryer 2023? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best air fryer are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 1. Cosori Pro Air Fryer L501, the best budget air fryer. If you want a budget-friendly air fryer that's as stylish as it is effective, then the Cosori Pro Air Fryer L501 is worth considering. Unlike any of the air fryers we've tested previously, the LED and touch control panel is located on the glossy top of this kitchen gadget, creating a streamlined look. On test, we found the air fryer produce crisp, crunchy fries with soft, fluffy potato inside and succulent, juicy chicken wings. However, it struggled to evenly brown foods, so we found ourselves tweaking cooking times, and it wasn't effective when cooking frozen foods either. It has 7 presets for dishes such as bacon, seafood, and cake. It also has a reminder to shake, which can be activated when setting the cooking time that will alert you halfway through cooking so you can turn the food to achieve an even crisp. At number 2. Cuisinart Toa 60 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. While most choices on this list are basket fryers, this offering from Cuisinart raises the bar with its mini oven nor oven toaster design. The Cuisinart Toa 60 Air Fryer Mini Oven is a little more expensive than the others, but you're getting a lot of bang for your buck as it offers every cooking function you could need. It doesn't just air fry, roast, bake, and reheat. It also convection bakes, convection broils, bakes, and toasts. And we found it to be a powerful air fryer whose 7 functions performed well during testing. Just bear in mind that, as in our experience, it takes a bit of tweaking and guesswork to get cooking times and temperatures right. Finally, while the air frying function doesn't make full use of its generous capacity, its spacious interior does grant more real estate to spread out your food while cooking. Plus, as it's several cooking appliances in one, you're also saving counter space. At number 3, Ultenic K10 Smart Air Fryer. If you're yet to ever own an air fryer, a little nervous to try out new appliances or are conscious about spending money, the Ultenic K10 is a good one to consider. During our review, we couldn't fault the food we cooked in it. With features such as keep warm, automatic preheat, as well as a reminder to shake foods, there's certainly nothing lacking from the control panel. Even with the wallet-friendly price tag, it isn't able to perform any other feature other than air fry, but the app and 11 presets will make it a really easy to use and nice addition to the kitchen countertop. A particular feature we loved is that there's a little beep halfway through select cooking modes to remind you to shake the foods. You won't be able to cook 2 food types at the same time, though, and the controls are on the top, so placing it on a high counter may not be the best position for it. At number 4. Instant Vortex Slim 6 Quart. The Instant Vortex Slim 6 Quart Air Fryer opens in new tab, also known as the Instant Vortex Slim 5.7 liters Air Fryer in the UK, is designed to solve a problem for people with limited kitchen space. How do you fit a full-sized air fryer when you don't have room for a full-sized air fryer? The answer is to redesign it with 20% less bulk. There's only one tray here. It doesn't have a dehydrate setting. There's no progress or text bar. Instead, a small 7-segment screen displays the time, temperature, and cooking stage, and there's no window nor a light. However, it works well. It's built tough and it's really big inside, and we'll take that over a progress bar anytime. Just be aware that the small size also means losing to headline features of the bigger Vortex models, odor raise and clear cook. If you don't need the smaller dimensions, you might want to consider one of its bigger siblings. At number 5. Ninja Foodi Max Dual Zone Air Fryer A400. This air fryer has 2 separate compartments, so you can cook 2 different dishes so they are ready to serve at the same time. In our review, we were impressed at just how quickly the air fryer crisped and evenly browned our fries. The 2 cooking drawers, which have crisper plates inside, have an overall capacity of 10 quarts/9.5 liter and are deep enough to hold a 3 pounds/1.4 kilograms batch of fries or 4.4 pounds/2 kilograms chicken each. Ninja also offers a smaller capacity version, which holds up to 8 quarts/7.6 liters and is known as the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer 300. It is one of the bulkier air fryers we've tested, and it does take up a significant chunk of space on a worktop. However, it looks pretty stylish, combining a glossy black finish with silver accents. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.